It's John, the home repair specialist again. Today we're going to be working on a mobile home that has had a ceiling leak. The roof was leaking and we've sealed the roof already, and so we don't have any leaks there anymore. And we've let everything dry out a month, and now we're coming back to repair the ceilings. Today we're going to show you how to fix holes in your ceiling, how to repair the texture, and how to seal out mold and water stains. And we're just going to have a good time and hope this is very informative for you today. Guys, we're in this house with the ceiling damages, and if you notice up here we got a lot of peeling paint, got some stains, and we're going to scrape off the damaged areas and repair any holes if there are any, and then we're going to seal this thing up. We've used a piece of tarp and thumbtacks. It's a great trick. Anytime you want to work on a ceiling, you got to do some spraying of your ceiling. Just take a piece of plastic and some thumbtacks and put it up against the wall. Now to keep all your overspray off. This stuff is fairly easy to clean up, but you want to make as little trouble for yourself as possible, and for a homeowner. In this case, this is a renter. So we're going to try to keep their house a little cleaner for them. So we're just going to scrape this stuff off. It comes right off. This house had a bunch of seams leaking in the middle of the roof. We resealed it about a month ago. Now we sprayed mold killer on this a few days ago and let it dry so that the mold won't transfer. There's a few processes that we use to keep mold from coming back. We'll use hydrogen peroxide, use bleach. Bleach only works really well on a hard surface like a toilet or a countertop, but peroxide will get right in there and it kills the mold growth and it can't come back. So now what we're going to do is we don't really have any holes, which is a good thing. So we're going to seal these with a clear enamel. You can use cheap spray paint from Walmart, clear spray paint, polyurethane if you have it, you sit around and you can, just whatever. You want to put a hard coat on here that will keep it from coming back. So you'll spray it on. You don't want the stains will come through any kind of latex. Anything water-based, the stains will come right back through. So you want to seal these water stains with some kind of oil-based clear coat enamel, a lacquer, because these yellow stains will come right back through. It doesn't take a tremendous amount to get it done. If you see a spot, you just paint it with a clear coat. Water stains are pretty hard to seal out. So if you do these steps, you'll have a really good result. Alright, after you get that all clear coated, you take, I like this Upshot by Kills, works great. and it's an off tint, so that on these older houses the ceilings are never white, so it matches the color better when it's done. We're going to seal this up with this Upshot with the Kilz sealer. Alright, get that coated well, get that. Now we're going to give this about 5 minutes to dry, and then we'll show you how to put this texture back up. Alright, we're back now. Everything's dried out on the ceiling. Now I'm going to mix up some acoustical texture. This is what people call it popcorn. That's what's on this ceiling in this house. And you mix it basically like oatmeal. You put some water in it. We're going to use a spray hopper to spray this on the ceiling. You want this stuff just a little bit runnier than oatmeal. Just about that a little more. Spray hopper is gravity fed, so it's got to be thin enough to go through, but you don't want it too thin. Alright, now we're going to use our hopper and our texture, and we're going to fix this spot here. Okay, and this is what we look like when it's finished. Nice and prepared, Texture's matching well. All the places are filled in. So that's a ceiling repair job, folks. Thank you.